Hello everyone, it's Charlie here, your medical supply specialist with another FYI product video. Today we're talking about the Sound+Sleep Mini. Just like its predecessor, the original Sound+Sleep, it's designed to promote a deeper sleep, emitting a variety of 12 different distinct categories with 48 unique sounds to block out the ambient noise in the room. This particular model is equipped with an adaptive sound technology, which means that it will automatically adapt in volume and intensity with the environment around you. The sleep timer can be set at 30, 60, or 90 minutes and can be also left on all night if needed. The Sound+Sleep Mini can be used as speakers for your laptop, tablet, or smartphone, and this will run off of AC or USB or battery power. Some of the sounds that are included are ride, rain, brook, ocean, Lee, home, baby, fan, crowd, brown noise, pink noise, and white noise. And then there are 4 versions of each sound. So this smaller design is great for traveling or smaller living spaces. Again, this is the Sound+Sleep Mini, product ASM1014. Thanks so much.